You may be destroying your teeth every day without realizing it. Plaque, cavities, yellowed teeth. It seems inevitable, right? But what if I told you that there are fruits capable of reversing this damage, eliminating bacteria, and even strengthening enamel without needing to spend a fortune at the dentist? Dr. Ellie Phillips, one of the leading experts in oral health, revealed something that few professionals talk about. Your body has the ability to naturally restore your teeth, and the key may lie in your diet. Today, you'll discover 5 powerful fruits that eliminate plaque, reduce cavities, and even make your teeth stronger and healthier. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you about the worst mistakes that are destroying your smile without you noticing. What city are you watching this video from? Leave it in the comments. Your teeth may be silently being destroyed, even if you brush every day. Plaque, cavities, gum disease. All of this could be happening right now in your mouth without you noticing. Plaque is a sticky layer full of bacteria that sticks to your teeth right after meals. The big problem is that if it's not removed properly, this plaque hardens and turns into tartar, a rigid crust that corrodes enamel and causes gum inflammation. The scariest part is that plaque releases acids that slowly and steadily wear away enamel. Over time, this creates holes in the teeth, leading to cavities, infections, and even tooth loss. And here's what no one tells you. Brushing your teeth the wrong way or using the wrong products can make the problem even worse. What many people don't know is that there are natural ways to fight this threat before it becomes a big problem. The good news is that some fruits have a surprising power to dissolve plaque, eliminate bacteria, and even strengthen enamel. And the first one works like a natural toothbrush. You probably already have this fruit at home, but you have no idea what it can do for your teeth. Why didn't anyone tell you that your teeth can strengthen on their own? Why does most people believe that once dental enamel is damaged, there's no turning back? The answer might surprise you. Dr. Ellie Phillips, an oral health expert with decades of experience, has been challenging traditional dentistry with an idea that seems revolutionary. According to her, our body has an amazing ability to recover naturally, and that includes our teeth. She explains that cavities and enamel wear are not only the result of lack of brushing, but also the acidic environment in the mouth. When acidity rises, enamel becomes vulnerable and starts to dissolve. But the opposite is also true. If you balance the pH in your mouth and provide the right nutrients, your teeth can remineralize, becoming stronger and more resistant. The big problem is that most dental treatments focus only on removing damage, but don't teach how to prevent and reverse it naturally. Few professionals talk about the impact of diet on tooth regeneration, and this is where the fruits you will discover today come in. These foods not only help to clean your teeth naturally, but also balance the acidity in the mouth, promote remineralization, and fight bacteria that cause plaque. And the first fruit on our list does something amazing. It works as a natural toothbrush and can help remove plaque while you chew. 1. Apple. If you've ever heard someone say that eating an apple is like brushing your teeth, know that this is not a myth. This fruit has a powerful effect on oral hygiene and can help remove bacterial plaque naturally. The apple is rich in fiber, and its crunchy texture acts like a sponge on your teeth, helping to remove food remnants and bacteria buildup. But what really makes a difference is its ability to stimulate saliva production. Saliva is one of the best allies against cavities. It neutralizes acids that corrode enamel and also contains essential minerals that strengthen teeth. When you eat an apple, your body increases saliva production, which creates a less acidic and more protective environment for your teeth. But be careful. To get all these benefits, it's ideal to eat the apple naturally, without peeling it. The skin contains even more fiber and antioxidants that help protect oral health. Does this mean you can replace brushing with an apple? Absolutely not. It's a complement, not a substitute. The ideal is to consume it after meals to help with cleaning and balancing the pH in your mouth. Now that you know how apples can be your ally against bacterial plaque, let's talk about the second fruit on our list. This one, in addition to cleaning teeth, contains a powerful enzyme that can dissolve plaque even more effectively. 2. Pineapple. Have you ever felt your mouth cleaner after eating pineapple? That's no coincidence. Pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain, which has the ability to dissolve bacterial plaque and remove stains from teeth. Bromelain works by breaking down the proteins that stick to the surface of the teeth, making it harder for plaque to form. Additionally, this enzyme has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and redness of the gums, preventing diseases like gingivitis. But the benefits of pineapple don't stop there. It also contains high amounts of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for gum health. A lack of vitamin C can cause bleeding and make the gums more vulnerable to infections. By including pineapple in your diet, you strengthen your mouth's natural defenses against bacteria and inflammation. However, you need to be cautious. Pineapple is an acidic fruit, and excessive consumption can wear away enamel. To enjoy its benefits without harming your oral health, it's ideal to consume it in moderation and, whenever possible, with water to neutralize its acidity. Now that you know how pineapple can help with teeth cleaning, it's time to discover the third fruit on our list. This fruit has a surprising effect. In addition to combating plaque, it can make your teeth whiter naturally. 3. Strawberry. Did you know there's a delicious fruit that can help remove stains and restore enamel on your teeth? Strawberries might seem harmless, but they have an impressive power when it comes to oral health. The secret of the strawberry lies in its high content of malic acid, a natural compound known for its whitening properties. This acid works by dissolving plaque particles in superficial stains that cause yellowing of the teeth. It's like a natural exfoliant for tooth enamel. In addition, strawberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which helps strengthen the gums and fight bacteria that cause cavities and bad breath. And there's more. The seeds of the strawberry act as small natural abrasives, helping to remove food residues and plaque between the teeth. But like pineapple, strawberries also have an acidic side. To prevent malic acid from wearing away enamel, it's ideal to combine it with baking soda to create a natural whitening paste. Just mash a strawberry, mix it with a little baking soda, and apply it to your teeth for a few minutes before rinsing. Does this mean you can replace professional whitening with strawberries? Not exactly, but they can be a great natural complement to keep your teeth white and healthy without harsh chemicals. Now that you know how strawberries can whiten and strengthen your teeth, it's time to talk about the fourth fruit on our list. This fruit raises many doubts because it can be both an ally and an enemy of teeth. If used correctly, it can eliminate bacteria. But if consumed the wrong way, it can wear down enamel. 4. Lemon is one of the most powerful fruits for health, but when it comes to teeth, it can be both an ally and a great villain. This is because its high vitamin C content strengthens the gums and fights bacteria that cause cavities and bad breath. Additionally, the citric acid in lemon has a slight whitening effect and can help dissolve bacterial plaque. But here's the problem. This same acid that helps with cleaning can also erode tooth enamel if consumed improperly or excessively. Many people who drink lemon water every day begin to notice more sensitive teeth and even an increase in enamel transparency, a sign of wear. Does this mean you need to stop consuming lemon? Not necessarily. The secret is in how you use it. To avoid damage, never brush your teeth immediately after consuming lemon, as enamel becomes more vulnerable and can be worn down by brushing. The ideal is to wait at least 30 minutes before brushing. Another way to protect your teeth is to always dilute lemon in water, reducing the acidity concentration and minimizing its impact on enamel. If you regularly drink lemon juice, an extra tip is to use a straw to avoid direct contact of the liquid with your teeth. Additionally, always rinse your mouth with water after consuming any acidic food or drink. This simple habit helps neutralize the mouth's pH and reduces the effects of citric acid. When used the right way, lemon can be a great ally in oral cleaning and gum health. But if consumed the wrong way, it can accelerate tooth wear. Balance is key to enjoying its benefits without harming your smile. 5. Coconut. Unlike the other fruits on the list, coconut doesn't act directly on bacterial plaque, but its extracted oil has a surprising effect on oral health. The famous oil pulling, an ancient Ayurvedic medicine technique, uses coconut oil to eliminate bacteria from the mouth and strengthen teeth. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a compound with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. When you swish the oil for a few minutes, it penetrates between the teeth and into hard-to-reach areas, dissolving toxins and helping to remove bacterial plaque naturally. Additionally, this process helps balance the mouth's pH, making the environment less acidic and reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Studies suggest that oil pulling can be as effective as conventional mouthwashes in eliminating bacteria, but without the side effects like altered taste or burning sensations caused by alcohol in these products. The method is simple. Just put a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then spit the oil into a paper or trash can, never into the sink, as it can harden and clog the pipes. Regular use of coconut oil can help reduce plaque formation, strengthen the gums, and even improve breath. However, it doesn't replace brushing or flossing. The ideal is to include it in your routine as a complement for even more efficient cleaning. You may be following all the right tips, including fruits that help eliminate plaque and strengthen teeth, but if you make some common mistakes, all your efforts can be wasted. Small daily habits could be wearing down enamel, promoting bacteria buildup, and even causing gum inflammation without you noticing. One of the most common mistakes is brushing your teeth with excessive force. Many people believe that scrubbing hard will remove dirt better, but in reality, this can wear down enamel and cause gum recession. The ideal is to use a soft bristled brush and make gentle movements without pressing too hard. Another serious mistake is brushing your teeth immediately after consuming acidic foods, such as lemon juice, vinegar, or citrus fruits. Enamel becomes more vulnerable after exposure to acid, and immediate brushing can accelerate its wear. The best thing to do is to wait at least 30 minutes before brushing or rinse your mouth with water to neutralize the acidity. Frequent consumption of ultra-processed and sugary foods is also one of the biggest villains of oral health. Sodas, sweets, and even white bread create the perfect environment for bacteria to grow, increasing the risk of cavities and inflammation. Replacing these foods with natural options rich in fiber helps balance the mouth's microbiota and reduce plaque buildup. And one mistake many people make without realizing it is breathing through the mouth instead of through the nose. When you keep your mouth open for long periods, saliva evaporates more quickly, leaving the mouth dry and unprotected against bacteria. Saliva is essential to maintain pH balance and prevent cavities. So if you have the habit of breathing through your mouth, it's important to correct this to avoid dental problems in the future. When it comes to teeth, there's a lot of information that spreads around, and it's not always true. Some of these beliefs can even harm your oral health if followed without question. So let's clear up some of the most common myths and reveal what really makes a difference in keeping your teeth strong and healthy. Myth 1. Brushing your teeth with force makes your mouth cleaner. Many people believe that the harder you brush, the more effective the cleaning will be. But this is a big mistake. Brushing with force can wear down enamel and even cause gum recession, exposing sensitive parts of the tooth. The ideal is to use a soft bristled brush and make gentle circular movements. Myth 2. Sugar-free gum replaces brushing. Chewing sugar-free gum can help stimulate saliva production and neutralize acids in the mouth, but it doesn't replace brushing and flossing. Gum can be an ally when you can't brush your teeth immediately, but it should never be the only oral hygiene measure. Myth 3. The more toothpaste, the better the cleaning. Using a large amount of toothpaste doesn't mean your teeth will be cleaner. In fact, the ideal is to use only a pea-sized amount for adults and even less for children. What really matters is the brushing technique, not the amount of toothpaste. Myth 4. Clear foods don't stain teeth. Many people believe that only coffee, red wine, and dark sodas can yellow teeth. But foods like tomato-based sauces, curry, and even certain types of tea can also cause stains. What matters is not just the color of the food, but its acidity level and ability to penetrate the enamel. Myth 5. If your teeth don't hurt, everything's fine. The absence of pain doesn't mean your teeth are healthy. Cavities can form without causing pain at first, and gum disease often shows symptoms only when it's already advanced. That's why regular checkups are essential to detect problems before they become serious. Myth 6. Lemon water weakens teeth and should be avoided. Many people believe that drinking lemon water is harmful to teeth, But this depends on how it's consumed. As we saw earlier, if you dilute lemon in water, drink it with a straw, and rinse your mouth afterward, the impact on enamel will be minimal. The problem occurs when exposure to acid is constant and without the proper precautions. Now that you know your teeth can naturally strengthen and that small dietary changes can make all the difference, it's time to put this knowledge into action. To restore your oral health, eliminate bacterial plaque, and protect your enamel, simply follow a simple and effective step-by-step routine. The first thing you should do is regularly include the 5 fruits we showed. Apples help clean your teeth and stimulate saliva production. Pineapple dissolves bacterial plaque with bromelain. Strawberries have a natural whitening effect. Lemon, when used correctly, fights bacteria and strengthens gums. And coconut oil can be a powerful ally in removing toxins and bacteria from the mouth. Besides diet, it's essential to correct the common mistakes that harm your teeth. Always use a soft bristled brush and brush your teeth with gentle movements. Never brush immediately after consuming acidic foods, and minimize your intake of sugar and ultra-processed products that feed bacteria causing cavities. And if you have the habit of breathing through your mouth, try to correct it to keep your mouth hydrated and protected. Another essential tip is to maintain a complete oral hygiene routine. Besides brushing, using dental floss is indispensable to remove food debris between your teeth and prevent plaque buildup. And if you want to enhance the results, including oil pulling with coconut oil in your routine can be a great natural complement. If you follow these tips, you'll notice a big difference in your teeth health in no time. Your smile will be stronger, whiter, and more protected against cavities and gum problems. Now tell me in the comments, which of these fruits do you already consume in your daily life? And which one will you start including more after watching this video? Leave your like, share this knowledge with more people, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.